On TikTok, I was asked to help solve poor adhesion issues on someone's Ender 3 Pro. I've run into this issue multiple times with both of my Anet 8.8s and the He3D K280, so I'll show you a handful of solutions that have worked for me. First, I put a 4mm thick tempered glass build plate on my heated bed. This is $20 on Amazon and it's 100 times worth it. I'll put the link in the description. When the bed is at 55 degrees Celsius, it's difficult to remove the print, even with a paint scraper. If you look closely, you'll see the bed shifting under the force I'm applying here. When the bed is at room temperature, you can remove the print with very little effort. Next, make sure the gap between the bottom of your nozzle and the surface of your build plate is slightly less than the width of one sheet of paper. When I home my Z-axis and move the nozzle over the bed, I should very gently squeeze this piece of paper. You want tension in the paper when you pull, but not enough to crinkle it when you push. What might be the easiest solution is cleaning your build plate with isopropyl alcohol and a microfiber towel. This is because after multiple prints, your bed may collect a residue from leftover plastic. If your plastic still isn't sticking to the bed, make sure your nozzle and bed temperatures are sufficient for the plastic you're using. When I print with PLA, my bed is at 55C and my nozzle is at 210C. With ABS, my bed is at 90C and my nozzle is at 260C. If your temperatures are too low, the plastic will struggle to stick to the bed. Another thing to try is disabling your part cooling fan for the first 5 layers. This keeps the plastic warm enough and prevents corners from peeling off of the bed, which is also called warping. I've been doing this for a couple of years now and have never gone back. In fact, with ABS, I don't use the part cooling fan at all during the print. Something I did for a while is putting a single layer of blue masking tape on your build plate. This is a quick and easy adhesion fix. As a last resort, you can put a thin layer of hairspray on the build plate. This works a little too well, meaning the print is difficult to remove from the bed afterwards. I'll share the stuff I used in the description. Try these tips and let me know if you still need help.